Product number 1, JOOFO floor lamp 30 watt by 2400 LMA sky LED modern Torchiere 3 color temperature super bright tall standing full light with remote and touch control for living room, bedroom, office black. Product number 1, JOOFO floor lamp 30 watt by 2400 LMA sky LED modern Torchiere 3 color temperature super bright tall standing full light with remote and touch control for living room, bedroom, office black. Product number 2, simple designs LF 2000 WHT mother daughter floor lamp with reading light white. Product number 2, simple designs LF 2000 WHT mother daughter floor lamp with reading light white. Product number 2, simple designs LF 2000 WHT mother daughter floor lamp with reading light white. Product number 2, simple designs LF2. Product number 3, Dimunt LED floor lamp bright 15 watt floor lamps for living room with 1 hour timer, Stepless adjustable 3000K to 6000K colors and brightness standing lamp with remote and touch control reading floor lamps. Product number 3, Dimunt LED floor lamp bright 15 watt floor lamps for living room with 1 hour timer, Stepless adjustable 3000K to 6000K colors and brightness standing lamp with remote and touch control reading floor lamps. Product number 3, Dimunt LED floor lamp bright 50. Product number 4, addlon floor lamps for living room with 3 color temperatures, standing lamp with linen lampshades for bedroom, pitch lamps with 9 watt LED bulb included, black with beige lampshade. Product number 4, addlon floor lamps for living room with 3 color temperatures, standing lamp with linen lampshades for bedroom, pitch lamps with 9 watt LED bulb included, black with beige lampshade. Product number 4, addlon floor lamps for living room with. Product number 5, Wio-Mio floor lamp 15 watt by 1000 LM bright LED floor lamp with Stepless adjustable 3000K to 6000K colors and dimmer remote and touch control reading lamp, adjustable Gooseneck floor lamp for living room. Product number 5, Wio-Mio floor lamp 15 watt by 1000 LM bright LED floor lamp with Stepless adjustable 3000K to 6000K colors and dimmer remote and touch control reading lamp, adjustable Gooseneck floor lamp for living room. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and customer review. Check out the description to find the product links.